Good morning. It is the 30th of August 2018. It was about 2 weeks ago today that we were at this residence. I believe it was the 17th of August. This is basement flood number 2. This is our second day there. We had the client scheduled sooner than this, but something came up. He had an appointment or something that he needed to attend to. So I ended up having to push him out 13 days, as that was my next availability. So we're on our way there now. What we got to do today is put a second coat of mud on technically one location. I'm going to look at the other location and see if I want to add more to it. But it was only quality 2 when we started. We cut out a piece of drywall last time that was only quality 2, which means the drywall was there, and then it was a tape was bedded into it, and then somebody painted over the tape. We have already gone to quality 3 where we've put 1 coat of mud over it. So I probably will sand it down so it's smooth and leave it the way it is. The other section we need to put a second coat on, maybe do some light sanding before that, and then he wants to show us some plumbing work that he
600 feet, turn right onto US 13 North.
Needs done. So with that said, we're going to be there for about an hour. Not going to be much longer than that, and then we'll get out of there. They used to say the American dream is owning a house. My brother says the American dream is renting a house. I said, now why do you figure that? He goes, because when stuff like this happens, you just make a phone call, it goes away. Right. To the edge, feather that in, and get rid of these. Feather in the edges and then attack the middle lightly. That's the way your tape is, so you don't want to uncover it. If there's a little bit of an indent, leave that. Skim coat will fill it. If it's a bump, take it off. Any raised areas you want to sand down. Alright, so now we're just going to put a skim coat on here. Like that. Take it right back off again. Put it on. Take it off. All of it. Because what will happen is now it'll fill all those little voids. Skim coat. Put it all on, take it all off. That'll just fill in any little voids and discrepancies that might be in there.